Hey, today on my break, I want to teach you how to yo-yo, and for today, I want to show you how to wind your string. This is not how you wind a yo-yo string. Very few yo-yos will let you wind it up like this. So, the tip is really simple. So to do this fast, it takes practice. So let's start slow. It's not going to wind up. These strings are never tied to the axle. That's not the kind of yo-yo I'm teaching, and that's not the kind of yo-yo that's really all that playable. So, you are going to hold the yo-yo on one side. Then you're going to pinch one spot. See, we basically make a little, just as pinched there. Little loop almost. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way back up. All right? Now, it's as simple as that. This will take practice. And your first throw is never a proper throw. It's always just to set your string and get it ready. Now we're ready to play.